In this video, we're comparing Facebook ads versus YouTube ads. Which one wins? Which one should you be using for your specific business and your specific campaigns to make the most out of your paid advertising? First and foremost, Facebook is fast, but YouTube is focused. If you're running paid ads and wondering where to put your budget, this video breaks down Facebook versus YouTube advertising and why the smartest move might be using both. Let's dive in. Facebook is built for speed, quick reach, fast impressions. It's so easy to test on Facebook. If you have a small budget, it's very easy to test on Facebook. Testing hooks, the content that's in the first 3 seconds of that video, which hooks work best. Doing all that sort of testing, Facebook is a fantastic platform. It's also ideal for local businesses, doing any sort of event promotion, and any time-sensitive offers, giveaways, all that type of stuff is great on Facebook because it's so easy to start putting a video out there and getting information and intel. It is like throwing a digital flyer across the block and getting real-time feedback. But there is a downside. Scroll culture, low intent. People are not on Facebook looking to consume long form video. Typically, the videos that work best on Meta, Facebook, and Instagram are those videos that are at 15 seconds long and less, right? People are in this habit of just scrolling, so they're typically not consuming a lot of content there. Even if you're running ads driving traffic from Facebook to a podcast or from Facebook to a YouTube video, you're typically not getting the best traffic. But people, whenever they leave Facebook, they want to get back to that Facebook experience as quickly as possible. So people are not always ready to act, so you get attention, but you don't always get that commitment. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube, slow burn, high intent. People go there with intent. They're searching for a how-to video. They're searching for a do-it-yourself video, maybe a product review, right? So they're there to learn, compare, and decide. That means longer watch time, deeper engagement, and stronger buying signals. People are typically consuming videos at least 3 minutes long on YouTube. Many people are watching YouTube on their TVs. I know I do. I'm watching long form video content on YouTube on my TV, so I'm engaged for a longer period of time. Now, it's great for high ticket services, educational based sales, and brand building. But the trade-off is it takes time. Creativity matters more, and the setup isn't as plug and play. It does take time to develop a good YouTube video. If it's an amateur-esque video, there's a good chance not a lot of viewers on YouTube are going to sit around and watch your video for very long. So there is a format to the way you create that YouTube video to keep that user hanging around for longer, because the longer watch time on a video on YouTube means YouTube will show your video to more people. So there is more thought and time put into it. Unlike Facebook, where I can put together a quick 3-minute video now, post it on Facebook and see what happens, because the type of content that blends into the feed on Facebook is that amateur-esque type of content where people are searching through their Facebook. It doesn't look like an ad. Those are the pieces of content that actually work the best to get people to stop from scrolling. Now, the smart strategy here would be to use both. Smartest advertisers don't just pick a side. If they have a budget, they're going to use both of those platforms. Facebook is for volume, Facebook is for retargeting, but YouTube is for trust, authority, and conversion intent. Okay, so using them both hand in hand, you can make the most out of both platforms. Let your data tell the story. Start with the test budget on both. Okay, I personally like testing a little more on Facebook because how easy it is to test, and you can test a lot of hooks at scale and things like that. But watch what works, then double down on where the results are real. Is YouTube generating more actual conversions for your business, or is it Facebook? Deploy the budget accordingly, right? If you're generating majority of your conversions on YouTube, drop 80% of your budget on YouTube, but leave 20% for retargeting on Facebook. Pareto principle. It's not a platform war here between YouTube and Facebook. It really is a performance game. So look at the data, find out what's working, and double down on what works best. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Till next time, we'll see you soon.